privileged to have Nico visit Oxford. He read up on all our projects and knew them thoroughly. He also took interest and asked us to take this forward, which was very exciting. Nico and Extreme can champion sustainability through their platform in sports to showcase how you can reduce your emissions and become sustainable. We all know that we're nearing a tipping point, and more than ever, I think we so need these ultra disruptive solutions now to help us in this fight against.
看到现在中国大陆在晶片领域上，绝对是要做的就是国产化的美军政策哦。华为是否即将打破辉达在中国大陆的晶片霸主地位？有没有这样子一个可能？马老师怎么看？
我觉得如果我们以市占率来看的话，这个 NVIDIA
要多少？
我在 video。